right, what car are we taking? Where'd my lanyard go? Oh, that's right. This is the one I broke. Thought you might have stolen it like all my other ones. Anyways, let's roll. Really? You left the scooter out?
I know!
Yeehaw! All right, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another vlog on DerekBaranProductions. Now, this is probably gonna be a really windy intro. Wheelie. I feel like you guys are getting murdered right now by this wind. Let's try that. Does that sound any better? All right, what am I doing? This is supposed to be revolving around Mustangs and I'm on an electric scooter. Well, anyways, how about some scooter vlogs? Drop a like if you're about it. All right, we're gonna hit boost, ready? Blue button right here is boost. Here we go. Wow, the brakes are gone. Let's roll. Dude, these brakes are shot.
Yeah, well, you're the one who's supposed to fix it when you fuck it up.
Oh, really? What's that from? Look guys. One Ray spilt the scooter and she always told me not to mess around. Yeah, you did. You dumped it. I dumped it the other day, actually. Right here, I went off the little sidewalk and I was sitting like this on it. You know, I was trying to pull a hot one for the ladies in the neighborhood and fell backwards. It's kind of rad. For those of you that don't know, this is how ridiculous I look filming with the head strap on. Did you say hi to the vlog? Did you say hi? How's it going? Good boy, good boy. All right, guys, now that playtime's over, right now, I plan on heading to my father's house. Well, not only do I plan on it, but I kind of have to because that's where this video is gonna take place. And you guys are probably reading the title and looking at the thumbnail, and you might be kind of confused. Get off my arm, you're gonna break it. Anyways, obviously we're starting off in the Camry, which is unfortunate because it is a gorgeous day out, and yeah, we're definitely gonna take the Mustang out today. That's why I got the keys right here. So we have some huge news in today's video, and honestly, before I go and ruin the surprise, I'm just letting you guys know that I am very, very grateful. And everybody at LMR and Tyler Rodriguez in general, I wanna just take a quick second and thank you guys so much for what you guys have done for me, because honestly, without you guys, this whole entire process with the YouTube and, you know, coming from the interior swap with the Mustang and now the supercharger, it honestly would have put a huge delay on this whole project, and you know, I'm already on a delay as it is. So again, guys, I just want to thank you so much for helping me out, and I can definitely tell you guys love to take care of your representatives of the company, you know, such as myself and many others. So we want to thank you guys for that as well. Anyways, guys, we're just about to pull up to my father's house now, and as soon as we get there, we'll go ahead and jump right on into this video. All right, pulling up to the house now, and really quick, my grandfather is selling that truck. And I will say it's pretty tempting, but I believe an S197 is our main priority. All right, everyone, so today's video is gonna revolve around what is inside this box. And before the video actually started, you saw that LMR is actually sponsoring this video. And many of you guys might know that LMR and myself have been partnered for some time now. I wanna say about 6 to 7 months, and you know, they've always been there for me, helping me out. Like I said, when we did the interior swap, they actually sent me a lot of stuff. Some of the things such as the floor mats, you know, this bezel right here. We got the bezel plugs, the cup holder, and some other miscellaneous things. But yes, that was with the interior swap. And before we jump any farther into today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and hand the Canon G7X to Ray, and we're gonna pick up this vlog on that because yeah, I'm kind of sick of talking in the third person POV. So here we go. All right, just like that, everyone, we are now on the Canon G7X, and I gotta go ahead and grab myself a chair real quick. Gotta make this as professional as possible. All right, so obviously, everyone, I'm gonna cut right to the main part of this video. Now, many of you guys might know about 2 or 3 videos ago, I made a video on when I was gonna end up supercharging the car, and I went into great detail on a lot of the parts I need, because many of you guys might know with the 4.6 liter 2 valve and stuff, like I said, it's not one of those things where you can just grab a supercharger, throw it on the car, and it's ready to go. You actually need a ton of supporting mods, and in that video, I listed a ton of mods that I needed. So yeah, guys, other than that, I did reach out to LMR to see if they were willing to, you know, sponsor the build and, you know, pretty much just help me out through this process. And I must say, their response totally blew my mind. Now, with it being a ton of money within this box, guys over at LMR, I cannot thank you guys enough, honest to God. And I'm pretty sure when I open this box and my viewers see exactly what you guys sent me to help me out with Blue, they're gonna be absolutely mind blown, because I had no idea you guys were actually gonna do this. Now, I do not expect this, or do I take this for granted. Again, guys, I'm super grateful for this. As you guys know, I work for all my car parts. I literally spend my own money on them, and for them to help me out with this, it's just truly a blessing, and it gets me super excited and makes me look forward to the build even more. So with that, everyone, I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna get right into this box, and I got a lot to show you. All right, going into the box.
Wait.
What?
Don't you think this would be better on the GoPro?
What, unboxing? Like with the POV?
Definitely, yeah.
All right, yeah, let's do it. All right, let's make sure I cover that address. But anyways, guys, Ray had a great idea. Probably be a really good idea to film the unboxing from the POV side of things. But anyways, we are jumping right on into the box, and you guys aren't ready for what's inside here. I'm telling you that right now. So just a little receipt with all the stuff I got, and here we go. First thing out of the box, obviously my favorite. We have a, you know, mesh snapback, and if you guys know I love my hats, and Duke chewed my other one up.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did.
Oh, no.
So you know LMR had to hook it up with the new SVE hat, and I absolutely love this, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that aside. Next thing, we got the good old red LMR t-shirt, and I actually love this LMR. You guys need to make one in blue. Here, go for it. But all right, let's dig inside the box. We're gonna leave some of the best stuff for last, and I know many of you guys can see exactly what we got here. But right here, guys, as you can see, we got some V-Power spark plugs. Now, these are the NGK, and like I said, the NGKs are meant for boost. Now, these spark plugs will run on a cooler temperature, unlike the standard ones. The standard ones will get too hot, so that's why you have to get some spark plugs that are supported with boost. So we got 8 of these, and we can go ahead and set these to the side. So we got the spark plugs, which are a huge necessity when boosting the car. Now the next box is something that is definitely required when going into supercharging, and that is going to be a bigger set of injectors. Now the type of injectors I went with are 47-pound injectors. This is gonna give me plenty of fuel, and you know, I could have gotten away with 42 pounds, but you just never know, because with these I can definitely max it out a little more, which I don't recommend because I am on a stock block. But yeah, so I got 47-pound injectors, and with the injectors come with the adapters. Like I said, these are just the adapters for the car, and these go hand in hand, so we can set those aside as well. And obviously with the injectors, we're gonna go ahead and need a new fuel pump. Now this box is done for, but here is our fuel pump, and it's actually a lot smaller than I thought. Online they look a ton bigger, and I've never, you know, replaced a fuel pump or anything in the car. But yeah, it's pretty small, and didn't really realize that. So as for the fuel upgrades, LMR definitely has us covered on that. And like I said, that is a necessity with this car. Now, one of the favorite things LMR sent me that was kind of a bonus thing that I necessarily didn't need, but you know, like I said, I'm putting the blower on the car. I want to do everything right. I want fresh everything, is the BBK throttle body. Now, this is a 78mm throttle body, and we can go ahead and open this up so you guys can get a little sneak peek of this. But I am super excited about this because I've always wanted one. I've never pulled the trigger on one, and it's gonna look really good under the hood along with the Vortec. So let's open this up real quick. Look at that thing. Looks absolutely incredible, and we're gonna go ahead and have our intercooler hooked up to that. Really looking forward to installing this. So LMR, thank you so much, and set this to the side. Now everyone, when you go ahead and do modifications such as these and the Vortec to your car, there is one more piece you are gonna need, and that is gonna be a tuner. Now, when I get the car supercharged, obviously I'm not gonna go with a handheld tune, but you need a handheld tuner when you take it to a dyno, and I am taking it to my boy Kevin over at Flim Flam here in Virginia, and I'm gonna need one of these. And LMR was kind enough to send me one, and yeah, these are not cheap whatsoever. So again, super stoked on these pieces, and honestly, this right here is gonna help me out tremendously, and this is definitely gonna give me a jump start on supercharging this car the proper way. And again, I cannot thank LMR enough for helping me out with these pieces, as like I said 1,000 times, they are a necessity. They are very expensive, and it's one of those things that definitely rack up the bill when you're looking for all your pieces to do this. So now that we got all this, we're pretty much smooth sailing from here. Well, let's go ahead and package all this back up. Hey, really quick guys, before I go ahead and put this box away, I do want to say, if you're looking to supercharge your car and you need some, you know, guidance, all these parts will be linked in the description, so you can head over to LMR and pick up your parts, and pretty much we can do this build together. All right, now that that's unboxed and you guys saw all the goodies we got for Blue, I'm gonna go ahead and hop back on the Canon and continue this vlog. All right, let's go ahead and set this right there. Perfect. All right, before we continue this vlog, there's one thing we must do. Ooh, that looks good. Love these hats. So really quick guys, again, I have to thank everybody at LMR. I know I keep saying that, but I'm super grateful for all those parts, because that saved me a lot of time, and most importantly, saved me a lot of money. So now we can go ahead and buy the intercooler kit. We can get the blow-off valve and like the PMAS and all the other little things we need for the intercooler setup. And honestly guys, time is ticking. We're almost at that time now to where we can start installing this thing, get it to the shop, get it all tuned up, get the intercooler all fabricated and installed. And before you know it, Blue will be boosted and Mustang Week will be insane. And by the way, if you guys want us to host another subscriber meet at Mustang Week, last time it was Mustang Lifestyle, Jeff Ashton, JD Joyride TV, and myself. And David, also known as That Dude in Blue, showed up. So let us know, maybe we can coordinate something and set up another meet, because it was absolutely insane. It was probably one of the biggest, you know, nighttime meets that I've seen at Mustang Week. Easily 300 to 400 people showed up last time. So if you guys want another one of those, and if you were there, let us know. I'm sure we can set something up again. Anyways, guys, it is getting dark here, so we do have to run some errands, and why not run the errands in blue? Haven't run it in a while, and it's kind of nice out, a little humid, but anyways, let's hop in the car. All right, woman, you ready?
No.
Come on. I hope you fall.
Bad
the wheel hitting the fenders right here.
Sure.
Bottomed out pretty fucking hard. You like those white boy hops, son? I mean,
wait, did you take the back?
It wasn't the back, doofus.
I know, but just
no, you're not
check.
stealing the car.
Damn it!
What are you doing?
Hi!
Look at, he's so excited. What's up, buddy? What are you doing? All right, everyone, so obviously we just made it home, and I think it's time to wrap up this video. And remember, for those of you out there with Mustangs, and you know, obviously you need modifications if you own a Mustang, it's just the way it goes. Make sure you guys buy from Late Model Restoration. Their link is in the description. They're amazing, and honestly, the best customer service you will ever find with an aftermarket parts store. So yeah, I put my money on that. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be today's video. Again, if you enjoyed, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment with any questions or concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out is going out to 99 Sally. Thank you so much for your continued support, and make sure you guys go check her out on Instagram. And if any of you guys want to shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBP Squad on all your posts. As you guys know, every time I film a video such as this one, I go to the hashtag, I see who used it, and boom, shout out. I must say, it's coming down to the wire. Installation day is almost here. Anyways, guys, I will see you Friday, but until next time, we'll see you later.
Blow up. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.